The milky white latex collected from these trees is the fundamental raw material for medical-grade products. Sourced directly from the finest rubber plantations, this natural latex is the foundation for medical-grade products.
Harvested at dawn, the natural latex from these trees is the essential raw material for medical condom manufacturing.
Here we see the critical dipping phase. The glass trees are submerged into the purified latex before the vulcanization process begins.
The manufacturing process begins as the large stainless steel drums are filled with the highest quality liquid latex.
Inside this modern facility, precision engineering meets global demand for essential healthcare products. The transport truck delivers the essential raw material, liquid latex, ensuring a sterile transition from drum to factory. Microscopic analysis of the synthetic material ensures structural integrity and adherence to the highest global standards. Approved liquid latex flows through our sterile stainless steel pipeline system, ensuring a smooth and controlled transfer.
In this stage of the manufacturing process, measured additives are meticulously blended with the liquid latex in a sterile environment. This is where the raw latex is prepared. The agitator slowly churns the mixture to ensure perfect consistency for the medical dipping stage. This precise blending process ensures the medical-grade latex is completely uniform, with absolutely no imperfections.
Here in the preparation area, the glass molds are precisely aligned on the metal carriers by robotic arms.
The automated system ensures a perfectly uniform coating as the glass molds are slowly dipped into the latex compound.
The molds dip into the latex mixture. As they emerge, a thin, uniform coating is formed, which
The highly precise dipping process begins as the glass forms are submerged into the smooth, viscous latex solution.
The molds rotate slowly after dipping into the vat. This precise mechanical rotation is crucial for achieving the required even thickness.
The highly automated dipping process is critical.
The molds are slowly immersed in a large vat of carefully prepared liquid latex. The glass molds are slowly lowered into the stabilized liquid latex. This precise dipping process is essential. Here we see the crucial dipping stage, where the glass forms are submerged in a highly purified latex solution, ensuring an even and consistent coat.
As the molds emerge from the tank, excess latex drips away. The thin, smooth layer is then ready for the vulcanization process.
The molds rotate precisely after dipping, ensuring the latex coating achieves a perfectly uniform thickness across the entire surface.
As the formers rotate, the heat polymerizes the latex, turning the liquid into a strong, elastic film.
This is the vulcanization stage, where the raw latex is cured under intense heat and pressure inside this sealed chamber.
Following vulcanization, the products enter the cooling zone, where controlled airflow stabilizes the latex before the leaching process. Once fully cooled, the latex surface is meticulously inspected for imperfections. The molds then proceed to the stripping section for automated removal.
The automated system ensures a precise and uniform rim on every medical device.
Once manufactured, the lubricated condoms are precisely transferred to the conveyor system, beginning their journey through the final inspection phase.
As the mandrels enter the washing section, they are submerged in sterilization fluid and blasted with purified water to ensure a clinically sterile mold.
Emerging from the final wash, the condoms undergo a slow-motion inspection as excess water drips away, ensuring absolute cleanliness and quality.
After automated production, every batch moves to quality control. Here, samples undergo the
Quality control is paramount. Here, every single condom undergoes rigorous electronic testing for pinholes and structural integrity.
During the water leak test, inflated samples are submerged. A stream of bubbles, like this, indicates a critical defect.
Here we see the high-precision rejection mechanism in action, ensuring that defective units are immediately segregated into the disposal system.
The tensile test ensures every condom meets the strictest global standards for elasticity and strength. The condoms move smoothly along the conveyor after lubrication, heading for final inspection in this sterile environment.
After the automated optical scan, human eyes provide the final quality assurance, ensuring every product meets the highest standards.
Here we see the precision of the automated workflow, as packets are swiftly grouped and sealed into their final cartons. Advanced stacking automation ensures efficiency before the pallets are moved deep into the warehouse.
The manufacturing process concludes with rigorous storage protocols in our state-of-the-art, climate-controlled warehouse.
Here at the loading dock, efficiency is key as we prepare the final pallets for distribution.
The medical supplies are carefully loaded for distribution, ensuring safe and timely delivery across the region. After the initial dipping phase, the products move to the leaching station, where pressurized water ensures purity before final automated inspection.
Feature garages. The process begins as glass formers dip into the liquid latex. After drying,
Every single unit undergoes rigorous electronic testing to ensure the highest safety standards before moving to the final packaging stage.